Tomorrow, I'm going to complete 30 full laps around Central Park to celebrate my 30th birthday. It's gonna be 183 miles, close to about 10,000 or more feet of elevation, and I'm expected to do it in 12 hours or less. That's my goal. The weather is gonna be excellent. Couldn't be happier for it. I've got my nutrition down. I've got the hydration strategy planned out. My support team's gonna be around to be able to hand me food.
Make sure that you never, leave your nutrition for race day just up to winging it. You always want to have it really planned down. I mean, I've got everything down to a science where I know exactly what's in each one of these snacks, how many carbs, how many fats, proteins. Oh, this is what I'm super excited about. I'm gonna start this. This will have within the first couple hours of the ride some motherfucking pizza. These are more for morale, like to keep me happy. And when you eat during an event like this, let's say I'm eating a piece of pizza, I'm not eating it for energy right now, right at that moment. I'm eating for the future. And I need to have all of this prepped very specifically so that way my support team can hand me the proper nutrition.
Feeling really good. Today my legs are feeling fresh, I'm feeling well rested. Just got to get through one more night of sleep and then wake up tomorrow and I'm 30 and gonna show myself and everyone else that 30 doesn't mean anything. You can still achieve amazing things and your life is really just kind of starting to begin at 30 years old.
The cold weather was what I was planned for. It's gonna get much warmer today. Now that's like a good thing, but it promotes new challenges. Pizza, keeping me warm and happy.
I'm gonna encounter a lot of moments of really, really intense struggle. I'm thinking probably around 100 miles, 120 miles is when it'll hit me and I'll be like, damn, but that's when my family's gonna be there, cheering me on, reminding me of what I'm doing this for.
Lane, you got 2 laps to go, man. We are so proud of you.
It's almost done. You guys gonna come by one more time.
I hope that at least one person gets inspired by this.